Hello everybody, welcome back to my another new vlog video. In this video I'm gonna share with you in our village. Okay, so let's get start this video. Right now I am standing here. At this moment I would like to say something about behind me. You can see in our behind side so many type of plants like banana trees and betel nut, and you can see there is so many type of plants, and one plants I know actually this is the aram. Okay, so dear friends, and our behind side this is the school. This school name is Mashaner Alga upper primary school. Okay, so dear friends, today I not video making, but today actually my health condition so very weak, but I try my best journey, and I decide I am daily one video make. Okay, so that is why I video make at this moment, and I have come here. This is the field. Actually this field, actually no noise and no background noise in this time. Okay, this time actually evening time, this field no any person at this moment, and this is the very video making actually best time. I think it's the time actually 6 p.m. Okay, almost sun almost set, and dear friends, you can see this is the hill. Actually my in our maximum video I standing this hill in front me. Okay, so and this is the road. You can see so many cars like toto, like e-rickshaw and bike, so many type of cars up and down. So it's connected to a national highway. It's a 3 kilometer distance. Okay, so dear friends, today my video actually not very well because nowadays I cannot making any blog video, but and on the other hand I not practice actually after some days later I stop my learning English and stop my journey. Okay, and yesterday I decide my my actually my skills start my journey. Okay, so dear friends, nowadays I feel like actually very good, some days very bad. So and today actually I feel sick, my health condition. So dear lovely friends, in this video actually this video actually end. So after coming day my video day by day improvement and good quality video make after coming day. Okay, so thank you.